Section 7, question 1. In the diagram, RSTUVWXY represents a cuboid. SR represents a vector F, as you can see. ST represents G. SW represents vector H. Express VT in terms of FG and H. What a pathway to get from V to T is along here, down here and across. If that's the vector F, then that's also the vector F, as we can see. So if I move backwards, that's minus F. So minus F and backwards from H would be minus F minus H plus G. And that is the same as minus F plus G minus H, and that's option C. Section 7, question 2. The diagram below shows a square-based pyramid, PQRST. TS, TQ and TP represent F, G and H respectively, so there's F, G and H. Express RP in terms of F, G and H. Well, there I'm starting at R and finishing at P. A way to get there would be to travel across here, here and up here, so that would be equivalent to vector RP. So from R to Q, Q to T and from T to P. Now you can see that the vector TS is represented by F. That's the same vector as QR, so that would also be F, which means this vector then moving backwards would be minus F, and that's backwards from G, so minus F minus G plus H, and that's option B. Section 7, question 3. Given that the points S, T and U are collinear, calculate the ratio in which T divides SU. I'm going to first of all find the vector ST, so that's T minus S. It's going to be minus 16, minus 4, 16, minus 4, 5, 1. And that's equal to, so minus 16 minus 4 is minus 16 plus 4, that's minus 12. Minus 4 minus 5 is minus 9. 16 minus 1 is 15. I'm now going to look at the vector TU. So TU is equal to U minus T, and that's minus 24 minus 10, 26, minus 16 minus 4, 16, minus 24 minus 16, that's minus 24 plus 16, that's minus 8, minus 10 minus 4 is minus 10 plus 4, that's minus 6, 26 minus 16 is 10. So there's my two vectors, ST and TU. So we can see that ST equals 3/2 of vector TU. So we can see that ST is 1.5 lots of TU. So there you can see the ratio is 1.5 to 1. If I double both, that will be 3 to 2, and option B. Section 7, question 4. The points PQ and R are collinear as shown in the diagram. What is the value of S? So I'm going to first of all investigate PQ. So that'll be Q minus P, and that's equal to 5, 13, 13 minus 137 which is equal to 410, 6. If I now look at QR, QR is R minus Q. and that's S 33 25 minus 5 13 13. So it's going to be equal to, well, 5, S take away 5 can just be written as S minus 5. 33 take away 13 is 20. And 25 take away 13 is 12. So we can see that QR, if there's collinearity, multiplication of scalar exists. So 10 up to 26 up to 12 tells me that this vector is double that vector. Double 4 is 8, which tells me that S minus 5 then must be equal to 8. Bring that across, and S equal to 13, and it's option C.